Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove CMS items in Webflow. This is useful when you need to clean up your database or remove outdated content from your site. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your Webflow account. After logging in, you'll land on your Webflow dashboard. From here, locate the specific site where you want to remove CMS items and click on Open in Webflow. This will take you directly into the site editor where you can make changes to your content and structure. Now, look at the top left corner of the page and click on the CMS button. This is where all your database collections and CMS items are stored. By clicking this, you'll access the content management system interface that houses all the dynamic content for your site. Once you're in the CMS section, you'll see the Select button in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This enables selection mode, allowing you to choose multiple items at once for bulk actions, which makes the deletion process much faster and more efficient. With selection mode now active, check the boxes next to the CMS items you want to delete. You can select as many items as you need to remove. This is particularly helpful when you're doing a major cleanup of your database or removing an entire category of outdated content. After you've selected all the items you want to remove, look again at the upper right corner of the page and click the Delete button. A confirmation menu will appear to make sure you really want to proceed with this action. From the options presented, choose Delete Permanently. This step is important because it ensures the items are completely removed from your database and won't clutter your CMS collections anymore. And that's it. You've successfully removed CMS items from your Webflow site, freeing up space and keeping your content organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.